Hello traders, the title of the video is how to improve Fibonacci retracement trading with a profit target like a pro. Alright, have you already used a profit target to improve your Fibonacci retracement trading? Do you know how to use the profit target to improve your Fibonacci retracement trading? In this tutorial, I will give you a few tips and tricks that can help you to improve your Fibonacci retracement trading with the profit target. Alright. So, first thing first, we can see that this stock, LAM Research Corporation, is my pronunciation correct? Is it LAM or LAM? LAM Research Corporation, EPIC LRCX, Lima Romeo Charlie X-ray, belonging to the technology sector, semiconductor equipment and material. Now I'm using my posh American accent today. That is to make you laugh a bit, all right? So I want you to pay attention to this section here. The price went up from here to here, all right? And then we see a pullback right here. Now we're talking about Fibonacci retracement. How much profit, okay, bullish traders who bought it here all the way up here, how much profit have they taken? So we apply Fibonacci retracement to that price action. All right. So I'm not going to put it all the way to the top. It needs to be put into the closing price. Some trader we talked about this before. So let's move on very fast. All right. We can see that they took 38.2%. Can you see here when my cursor 38.2? Is it big enough for you, my friends? Zoom into it, George. Yeah, 38.2%. Fibonacci retracement, that they took a tiny profit, which means this stock is quite bullish. People didn't take too much profit, all right? They didn't take 50% profit, all right? So they took 38.2% level. So once we are using Fibonacci retracement, okay, to measure how much profit people have already taken, and also we're going to now use Fibonacci extension to set the targets, all right, for those traders, those bullish traders. So if the price pull back 38.2% level, in theory, all right, this is what they teach. We teach in theory, but the reality of the market is completely different. In theory, there is a high chance that if the stock breaks above this resistance here, in theory, you like that word very much, isn't it? In theory, don't. There is a high chance that the stock can go up to 161.8% Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci extension level. This is about the target extension level. So Fibonacci traders that have identified that it was only 38.2% level, you can see watch the candlestick bar. You see they took a bit of profit here. You see that doji also in that region. Those are Fibonacci traders. They are quite aggressive. All right, so there are a lot of computers using also. So when I'm saying Fibonacci traders are aggressive, I'm talking more about the computers that are using the Fibonacci retracement and Fibonacci extension. So you see all this activity here is because of that target level there. All right. Now we are talking about how we can improve our Fibonacci retracement trading. Okay. So what usually takes place? So a lot of traders say, okay, target there, but look, the price continues to go up more. All right. Another thing that we taught traders at Day Pro Trader YouTube channel, that unique Fibonacci channel, all right, is that usually valid breakout, bullish breakout, okay, will occur at which level? 161.8% Fibonacci extension level. So if the financial instrument pull back 38.2% level, Fibonacci trader will say they're targeting at 161.8% level, but be careful, the price can break above 161.8% level and continue to go up because it's a breakout zone, valid breakout, very often, not always, but very often will occur. So if you are swing trader, you buy it here, okay, see a double bottom, gorgeous double bottom chart pattern. Okay, it's in place here. You implement your top-down trading method gently. Here, it was tricky because the price is consolidating a bit here. So a bit tricky. Either break above, retest. Okay, took it from here. Here to this level. Either you close your trade or you secure your gain. You secure at least 70% of your trade or 75% of your trade, and see whether it's going to push through it. Here it is. Found a support. And then where is it going now? So as a Fibonacci trader, in theory, you will say the target is hit. Now you don't know which level is going to stop. Where is it heading now? All right, so as I told traders at 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel, where you must subscribe also to digit 4 Stock Trader YouTube channel, I told traders that the financial instrument does not move without reason. The price is always headed to a specific price target level. Here we see a Fibonacci target at 161.8 level, 161.8% level. Now it's going up. Where is it heading? One thing I talk about it also at 24 Stock Trader channels, how to set profit target, blah 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 about profit target. We measure the height of the price action. So this is the bullish move from here all the way up here. I'm using a conservative measurement, and we project it to the top from there. Okay, normally I should put it all the way down here. I don't want to do that. I'm happy with what I'm doing here like this. Then I project it to the top. So because the financial instrument is always headed to a target level, you can see that if you look carefully here, this candle here got a tail. Why? Because people took some profit here. That's why when it opened here, people start selling because professionals know there is a target here. All right? And professional, when they sell their ultimate target, which was at 130 level, so Fibonacci today are watching 114 level, 161.8% Fibonacci extension level. That's the Fibonacci trader target at $114 level. Normal chart pattern traders set their target at a 130 target level. So you want to combine the profit target using normal chart pattern price action, as we are doing here, with your Fibonacci retracement to improve your Fibonacci retracement trading. So you see 131.8% level. You see here the retracement 38.2% level. You set your target at 161.8% level. Also use this measuring stick, prior bullish move. You remember? So we are talking Fibonacci retracement, and uptrend price goes up and then pull back. Okay, now we talk about Fibonacci retracement. Boom, price start going up. You are using our Fibonacci extension to set your Fibonacci target level, yes or no? But remember, use also measure the height of the prior move. This is the prior move, and then project it to the top and set another target there. Okay, very, very important. Apart from the height of this prior move, professional, so if I project it now, you see it's bringing us to that level, $130 level. We also use the length of the price action. This is the length of the price action. This one here, this is the height of the price action. I want to go fast, my friend. So that's why you must subscribe to all our channel. You know what I'm talking about. So here they will set it here, they project it up, breakout point. It's also bringing us a 130 level. So both levels are clean for professional watching these levels. So as a Fibonacci retracement trader, Fibonacci extension trader, your target is here, it breaks a ball. If you don't do those exercises that I already mentioned, you know that there's another target here. Now the price going up, where is it going to stop? That's where you must use the profit target to improve your Fibonacci trading. So now we must use what? Market geometry. So we use the height, you see, of the prior bullish move. We project it first time, we set our target here. Now the price breaks above it. We are applying now market geometry. That's it. And anytime we set a target, this is the first ultimate target. Professional will also set midpoint target somewhere here. You see, that's where the doji has, you see this doji here, this is the midpoint target of those traders that set their ultimate target at 130 level. So are you getting it now? That the price does not move for no reason. It's always, you want to know where are the target level, what's going on, the different target level, the Fibonacci target level, the normal profit target level is always happening. So professionals know that there is a target, midpoint target here. It's not happening by mistake. Here is mark. Now, next target level, you see the tail here. Now where are we going? We use now market geometry. So what we are doing here, we are combining Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci extension, profit targets, and market geometry. Now that we project it again, we have another ultimate target at $178 level. And again, there is a midpoint target that the professional watching. Let me do it properly. Yes, in that zone. 154. As a day trader, you want to trade around the target level, either ultimate target and midpoint target, to catch the short-term momentum. So this stock is very good for us today. I'm on a monthly chart, by the way. This candlestick bar is not yet closed. It will be closed tomorrow, which is tomorrow will be the 31st of May. All right. So on the 1st of June, we'll come back and monitor the reaction of the price in this zone when that monthly candlestick bar is closed. Are you getting it now? This is how one can use, okay, one can improve Fibonacci retracement trading with a profit target like a pro. If you find this video useful, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that, George, well, I'm not very sure about this one, that's another blah, 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 blah from London, let us know by giving us the thumbs down, all right? But if you think that this is an essential tutorial, all right, feel free to share it on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. I do check all my analytics to see whether people are sharing a video or not. So if I see that they are sharing one video very much, then I know that this is a very important topic for traders, and I try to, okay, record more videos, okay, for that particular topic, all right? So to summarize the video, as you can see here, the price pulled back 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. As a normal Fibonacci retracement trader, we will set our target at 161.8% Fibonacci extension level. As you can see, the price breaks above that level. If you don't know how to combine the Fibonacci retracement and the normal profit target level, you may get a bit lost. You don't know where are we going on, what's going on. But now that I show you, okay, by using, okay, the height of the prior bullish move, we project it at the breakout point, we set the midpoint target and the ultimate target. We combine that with, okay, the market geometry, the projection of the channel. We can now map up the chart. We know now we are now at the midpoint target of the second ultimate target. If it goes above the 178% level, we project the same level, and we can combine those normal profit target with the Fibonacci extension level. You see here there's a 261.8% above the midpoint target. So if it goes above, we are watching that also. And if it goes above the $178 level, we are watching again the 314% Fibonacci extension level. This is how, so because we are Fibonacci trader, price goes up and pull back, we use the Fibonacci retracement to measure the retracement, and then we use Fibonacci extension to set the target. But one thing that the Fibonacci traders are forgetting, they can use the height of the prior bullish move and project it at the breakout point to set normal profit target to improve their Fibonacci retracement trading. This is the topic that we are discussing today, how to improve Fibonacci retracement trading with a profit target like a pro. I really would appreciate if traders can give us the thumbs up and turn down so I may know whether this is a useful video or a useless video. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to improve Fibonacci retracement trading with profit target like a pro. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. I'll speak to you soon.